6-element oil catch can for 2022 to 2023 Hyundai Kona N. So first you start off by removing the engine cover, and then you take off these two 10mm bolts, or the 10mm and a ratchet. Just take these off. This is the catch can from 6-element, and then this is the installation kit. You gotta buy that separate from the oil catch can. So yeah, we're gonna open this up and set it up so we can mount it right here. We're gonna attach the two fittings here first, and then we're gonna mount the bracket here. So these are the two fittings. You're gonna tighten them down until they stop, till they bottom out, and that's it. Like this. 6-element is facing this way. So mount it here. It should look like this when it's mounted. Now you're gonna remove this hose with the adjustable pliers. So you remove this clamp, and then there's another clamp down here. You're gonna most likely need needle nose pliers, but yes. And wiggle it as you push down. Take your clamps, store your clamps facing this way so that you can tighten it. Put the clamp on, put this clamp on, and then you store the fitting. Now you want to take this hose, plug it into this port, and then run it to the valve cover. Just like that. Take your clamps and slide them on. Tuck this hose under here. Don't lean it on the oil dipstick. Tuck it under this harness. Like that. And then you can run it through here. Make sure you put your clamp first. Okay. And tighten it down. So this is the return hose. So the return hose, you just gotta complete the same steps that you followed for this hose. So you just connect it and then you run it all the way to the 90-degree fitting. Then the next step will be to install the one-way check valve. You take some scissors and cut. Let's say like right around here. Make sure it's straight cut. Cut that. Slide it on. Take this one-way check valve. Make sure the arrow again make sure this arrow is pointing away from the catch can towards the motor. So one-way check valve. If you install it backwards, you can mess up the engine. Can cause engine failure, a bunch of things. So make sure that is like that. And yeah. So install this like that, and then take the hose that was just cut, and then install it back. So what I'm gonna do is, so that this hose isn't so long, I'm gonna trim it just a little bit. Like I say, right here is gonna trim it just a little bit. Slide your hose clamp on, and then slide this on, and then you tighten the clamps. And then they give you 2 zip ties. You could take the zip ties and zip tie them together, like secure it.